Hi guys, my name is Carolina Dalí. I'm a celebrity makeup artist from New York City, and today I am going to let you have a peek into my everyday getting ready routine. So I'm gonna start off with my skincare. I have already washed my face using the Glow Recipe Blueberry Cleanser. I'm now gonna follow up with the Avocado Melt Eye Mask. This is really lovely to brighten the skin, and it also really helps eye makeup glide on. I'm going to be using the Pineapple Vitamin C Serum. Just gonna do one pump of it. And I'm just gonna gently pat that in and massage into my skin. This serum is highly concentrated in vitamin C, so it helps improve the texture and the vibrancy of your skin. I'm going to follow up with the Watermelon Glow Moisturizer. My skin tends to be a bit on the oily side, so I'm not going to moisturize too much or too little. It's about having the right balance. And now I've had these little guys in the fridge overnight. They're super cold. I'm going to just massage underneath my cheekbone and try to drain some of the fluid. I'm going to move on to my makeup. So I'm gonna start off with my brows. I'm going to use just a little bit of clear brow gel to brush them up a bit. Now I'm gonna start off with a concealer. I'm going to apply a little bit of the concealer to my eyelid as well as underneath. I'm going to start off with a kind of earthy brown shade. Using a brown eyeliner, I'm going to line inside my lash line, on the waterline. And now I'm just gonna use again a little bit of the dark brown under the lash. I am going to line my upper lash line only with some liquid eyeliner. I am going to curl my lashes and add some mascara. So I'm gonna start off with a tinted moisturizer. I only apply tinted moisturizer where I know that I need it. Now I'm going to give my skin a bit of a three-dimensional contour using a cream bronzer. So I like to just use my finger because this also helps the contour look more natural and blended. And then I'm gonna take the cream bronzer and I'm gonna go just underneath my cheeks. Using a brush, I'm going to dab into the cream bronzer and I'm going to just go around my forehead a tiny bit. And now using a cream blush, I am going to just give my cheeks a bit of color. I'm also going to apply a tiny bit of the blush to the center of my nose. So this is a powdered bronzer. I'm going to use a cream highlighter, apply a little touch at the center of my nose and the tip of my nose. I'm just gonna apply a bit of powder under the eyes and on this area. I'm going to do just a little touch of the Pineapple Vitamin C Glow Recipe Serum to just give that extra bit of glow. So now I'm going to move on to lips. My lip makeup and contouring and glossing is super easy. I basically just go along the lip line, and now I'm gonna apply a little bit of lip balm, just kind of making sure the lip liner and the gloss are nice and blended. Okay guys, this is my final look. As you can see, the skin looks nice and glowy. Well, I hope you guys all enjoyed watching me get ready for my day. And if you haven't seen the one where I do my on Ready With Me, which is my skincare routine before bedtime, please make sure you check that out, and you check out Glow Recipe and their amazing line of skincare products. And if you have any questions for me, please don't be shy, DM me. I'll do my best to reply as soon as possible. And be sure to follow Glow Recipe and Carolina Dalí. Thank you so much for watching.